Warren Buffett, a name synonymous with financial wisdom and success, began his journey in the heart of America, Omaha, Nebraska. Born in 1930, Warren was the second of three children in the Buffett family. From an early age, he exhibited a keen interest in business and investment, attributes that would later define his illustrious career. Imagine a young boy, not yet 10, going door to door selling chewing gum, Coca-Cola, and weekly magazines. This budding entrepreneur displayed an uncanny knack for numbers and a unique understanding of profit margins, even before most kids knew what they were. Warren's early ventures weren't just child's play. They were the foundation of his later successes. He invested his earnings into purchasing shares of stock at just 11 years old, setting the stage for a lifetime of strategic investing. These formative experiences shaped his business acumen and instilled in him the principles of hard work and smart investments. As we embark on this journey through Warren Buffett's life, we begin to see how these early lessons planted the seeds for his future achievements. Join us as we explore how this young boy from Omaha became one of the most influential figures in finance, inspiring generations to come. Warren Buffett's educational journey began in high school, where his intellect and curiosity shone brightly. Afterward, he attended the University of Nebraska, driven by a desire to understand finance. But it was at Columbia Business School where Buffett's path truly crystallized. Here he met Benjamin Graham, a visionary in the investment world whose teachings left an indelible mark on him. Graham's ideas on value investing resonated deeply, shaping Buffett's own philosophy. Under Graham's mentorship, Buffett honed his analytical skills and developed a keen eye for identifying undervalued opportunities. This period was pivotal, laying the foundation for his future success. Graduating from Columbia was not just a milestone, it was a launchpad for his career, armed with the wisdom of a mentor who had opened new horizons. These formative educational experiences were critical in steering Buffett toward becoming one of the most influential investors of our time. As we delve deeper into Buffett's career, we see how these early lessons and mentorships continued to guide him in the complex world of finance, setting the stage for his remarkable achievements. In the early stages of his career, Warren Buffett took his first steps into the world of finance. After graduating, he joined his father's brokerage firm, where he gained invaluable experience and insight. This period laid the groundwork for his future endeavors as he immersed himself in the intricacies of the financial markets. Seeking to further his ambitions, Buffett soon ventured into forming his own investment partnerships. These early partnerships were instrumental in shaping his investment philosophy. They provided a platform for him to test and refine his strategies, leading to the establishment of Buffett Partnership Limited. This move marked a significant turning point in his career. It was here that Buffett honed the skills and principles that would eventually define his approach to investing. His early career moves were not just about making money, they were about building a foundation of knowledge and expertise. Buffett's journey through these formative years was characterized by a relentless pursuit of understanding and excellence. As we delve deeper into his story, we see how these early experiences paved the way for his later successes. Join us as we explore the next phase of Buffett's extraordinary journey in the world of finance. In the mid-1960s, Warren Buffett made a bold move that would become a defining moment in his illustrious career: the acquisition of Berkshire Hathaway. At the time, Berkshire was a struggling textile company, seemingly on the brink of irrelevance. But Buffett saw potential beyond its fabric mills. He envisioned transforming it into a diversified holding company, a vision that would ultimately reshape the landscape of American business. Initially, Buffett faced significant challenges. The textile industry was declining, and Berkshire's financial prospects were uncertain. Yet, Buffett's strategic foresight and unwavering commitment to his vision guided him through these early hurdles. He began to shift the company's focus, investing in a variety of industries and building a robust portfolio that laid the foundation for future success. This pivotal acquisition not only marked a turning point for Berkshire Hathaway, but also cemented Buffett's reputation as a financial genius. His ability to see beyond the immediate challenges and his relentless pursuit of value investing have since become legendary, inspiring countless young investors to follow in his footsteps. As we continue our journey through Buffett's life, we'll explore how his investment philosophy evolved, shaping the world of finance as we know it today. In the world of investment, Warren Buffett stands out not just for his wealth, but for his distinct approach. Known as the Oracle of Omaha, Buffett's investment philosophy is rooted in value investing. This strategy emphasizes buying undervalued companies with the potential for long-term growth. A key element of his success is his focus on intrinsic value rather than market trends. This disciplined approach has led to notable investments in iconic companies like Coca-Cola and American Express. Buffett's ability to see beyond the immediate and invest with patience has been a cornerstone of his remarkable achievements. Through his career, he has consistently demonstrated that successful investing requires a blend of patience, wisdom, and an unwavering belief in the potential of quality businesses. His journey offers a blueprint for aspiring investors, illustrating how principles of value investing can lead to sustained success. As we continue exploring Buffett's story, we see how these principles were tested and validated during financial challenges, shaping his legacy in the finance world. Let's now delve into how he navigated turbulent financial waters, showcasing resilience and strategic foresight. In the midst of financial storms, Warren Buffett's resilience shines brightest. As crises unfolded, he remained unflappable, transforming challenges into opportunities. His strategic decisions, made with calm precision, are a testament to his deep understanding of market dynamics. Buffett's approach was never about quick wins, but rather building enduring value. Through each downturn, he showcased an uncanny ability to adapt, reinforcing his reputation as a financial leader. His foresight and adaptability were not just about preserving wealth, but also about setting a course for sustainable growth. Buffett's actions during these turbulent times reflect a profound belief in the principles of value investing and a commitment to long-term vision. His journey through financial crises offers invaluable lessons in resilience and strategic thinking. It is this unwavering perseverance that inspires countless young investors today. As we navigate our own financial landscapes, Buffett's story reminds us that true leadership is measured not just by success, but by how one responds to adversity. And as we move forward, his legacy of resilience continues to light the path for those daring to dream big. In our next segment, we'll explore how Buffett translates his financial wisdom into profound philanthropic efforts, creating a legacy of giving that impacts the world. In a world often driven by profit, Warren Buffett stands out with his commitment to philanthropy. Known for his investment genius, Buffett has dedicated a significant part of his life to giving back. Through initiatives like the Giving Pledge, he has promised to donate the majority of his wealth. This act of generosity is not just a financial contribution. It is a powerful statement of social responsibility. Buffett's philanthropy has fueled major global initiatives, tackling issues such as poverty, education, and healthcare. His contributions have sparked change and inspired other billionaires to follow suit. The impact of his giving extends far beyond mere dollars and cents. It embodies a legacy of compassion and ethical leadership. Buffett's approach to wealth is a reminder that true success includes the betterment of society. As we reflect on his journey, we see a man who not only built financial empires, but also invested in the future of humanity. As our story continues, we move forward to explore the wisdom he imparts to young investors, paving the way for the next generation to follow in his footsteps. In a world driven by instant gratification, Warren Buffett stands as a beacon of patience and discipline. For young investors navigating their financial journey, Buffett's timeless wisdom is invaluable. His advice is simple yet profound. Invest in yourself by continuously learning and honing your skills. Patience is not just a virtue, but a cornerstone for successful investing. Buffett stresses that the market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Discipline, too, plays a crucial role. Avoid the pitfalls of emotion-driven decisions. Instead, focus on rational analysis. Buffett's own journey exemplifies these principles, showing that consistency and a long-term perspective lead to success. His insights remind us that wealth isn't built overnight, but through steady and informed choices. So as you chart your path in the investment world, remember Buffett's sage advice. It's not just about the money, it's about building a life of purpose and integrity. As we transition to his current influence and leadership, keep in mind these principles that have shaped Buffett's illustrious career and can guide you towards your own financial success. Warren Buffett stands today as a titan of global finance. At the helm of Berkshire Hathaway, he continues to guide the company with unparalleled wisdom. His influence reaches beyond the boardrooms, shaping financial strategies worldwide and inspiring countless investors. Buffett's leadership is a beacon of ethical business practices, consistently proving that success and integrity can go hand in hand. His ability to adapt and innovate keeps him at the forefront of the financial world, even in the face of rapid change. Buffett's strategic decisions not only impact Berkshire's vast portfolio, but also set trends across the industry. His voice carries weight in discussions on economic policies and market dynamics, reinforcing his status as a trusted leader. As we reflect on his journey, it's clear that his legacy is not just about wealth, but about the values he embodies. In his current role, Buffett remains an influential figure, a testament to the enduring power of leadership rooted in ethics and vision. As we conclude this segment, we look forward to exploring how his legacy continues to inspire future generations, encouraging young minds to dream big and pursue their goals with unwavering integrity. As we conclude our journey through the life of Warren Buffett, we reflect on a legacy built on perseverance and smart investing. Buffett's story is more than a tale of financial success. It is a narrative of integrity and passion. He has shown us that success is attainable through hard work, ethical leadership, and staying true to one's values. As young viewers, you stand at the threshold of your own journeys. Let Buffett's life be a beacon, guiding you to pursue your dreams with courage and commitment. Remember, every great achievement begins with a single step and the determination to keep moving forward. Whether in finance or any other field, let the principles of patience, discipline, and continuous learning be your foundation. Warren Buffett's life reminds us that with the right mindset, anything is possible. His enduring legacy continues to inspire us to dream big and act boldly. As you set out to make your mark in the world, carry with you the lessons from Buffett's remarkable life. Dare to take risks, invest in your future, and lead with integrity. The future is yours to shape, and like Buffett, you too can leave an indelible mark on the world.